Is your stomach growling? Perhaps it's time for a snack. But be careful what you reach for. It may be gummy goodness disguised as grub. Watch this! Cool, huh? Let's take this game up a notch. Okay, not that much. Are we in the game? Only one thing left to do. Fight head to head. Here goes nothing. It looks an awful lot like a burger. But it's made of gummy candy. Looks pretty tasty to me. Smells sweet, too. You know, I could use something extra. Gross! What? Spice is always good. Even on candy. That's not bad at all. If you say so. Okay, too hot! Excuse me. It's okay. What's happening over there? Things getting a little sticky? Maybe you ought to open yours. I got a BTS meal! How did I get so lucky? If only the boys came with it. I guess this little pack will do. And the dip makes up for it. Looks good, right? Time to get down and dirty. Get in my belly, nugget! Double dip, anyone? Cheers! I suddenly feel inspired. Where am I? We can light it up like dynamite, too! The magic of a good chicken nugget! Hey, girl! Let's roll it out! And dance it out! See? We could be K-pop stars! You go. No. I insist. Alright. Ta-da! It's so cute! And he has big blue eyes! What? No, it's mine! Every jiggly piece of it. Yum! So fruity. Oh yeah? It's definitely hitting the spot. That was pretty good. Ugh! What's happening? I don't know, but it isn't pretty. Can you control these things? That's sure a fun party trick. My turn. Aw, so cute, right? I'd never want to eat this guy. He's my new best friend. Unless I turn to the dark side. Let's keep it pink, okay? Or let's roar! This is fun! You're like two different people! You're scaring me, Brittany! Thank goodness. Not again! Phew. You sure? Nobody messes with me! 'Cause I'm so sweet! I can't take this anymore! I wanna go home! Let's do this! You still like dolls? She is pretty cute. I've always wanted to be a mom. Doesn't it suit me? She's my sweet kettle angel. Don't you remember being a kid? One day you're little, with dreams out of this world, and so many ambitions. Oh, to be young again. Snap out of it! Sorry. Why don't you open yours? Gummies! And they're shaped like a heart! This is right up my alley. Always eat the green ones first. Sour apple! This looks pretty good. I know! Wait till you see this trick. Wanna go swimming, little guy? Think he can swim? I don't think he has to. He's too big for the bowl now. You thinking what I'm thinking? Be right back! This is gonna be so epic! This guy's about to have a major growth spurt. It's happening! He's getting even bigger! Was this a good idea? It's coming out! Where am I? Are these real arms and legs? Welcome? I gotta go explore! Wait! Come back here! Let's switch! Sushi! Can you guess which one's real? Hey, they both look delicious. Eel! My favorite! And gone in one bite. Tasty! Give your plate a try. I'll start with the fresh fish. Looks pretty sweet. Awfully chewy. Delicious! That looks so good. Hey, wait! Pick one. Drumsticks! Let's get to grubbin'! Ready? Whoa! This should be really interesting. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, 4! Oh, come on. Get on here. This is harder than I thought. They're like fat chopsticks. But they work. I'm not mad at this. I can't even get one bite! Stupid stiff fingers! I'll never get to eat this! I'm really getting the hang of this! Mmm! Gotta love a good hand roll. Just a couple more pieces. So good. I swear, if I don't get one bite… Time to try a new method. But it's a real toss-up. Literally! Hey! At least it worked! Need some help? 'Cause I'm all done! You first, Kylie. Interesting. I've never had one of these before. I'll try anything once. I think it suits me. Check out yours! What kind of mustache is this? A gummy one for sure. Wait! I have to capture this moment. Stay very still. Trust me, you're gonna want to hang this up on your mantle or something. Michelangelo would be oh so proud. Wanna capture that stash just right. Almost done, Kylie? It's perfect! Mustache perfect, that is. Ugh, I don't really look like that, do I? Thanks, I guess. Huh? When did that get there? Mmm! This thing sure is chewy! Wish you had a sugary treat to chew on right now. That gummy sushi sure looked delicious. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always in on the fun challenges.